So guys, we are just at Red Rooster, the classic Red Rooster. I'm gonna try Pepsi Max Vanilla. Let's have a try. Give that 10 out of 10. That is good. You can taste the vanilla. Got the Ripper box. Chips look good. Looks delicious. Let's have a try. First, we're going to try the chips. Extra crunchy. Extra chicken salt. That's what you need on chips. And hot. I give that a 10 out of 10. Now we're gonna try the roll. Let's have a look at it. We've got the chicken, the mayonnaise, and the roll. You can taste the mayonnaise bubbling in, you know. It's really good. I give that a 10 out of 10. All up 20. Hope you like my Red Rooster review.